Okay, let's see, I am on working problems from chapter 3, let me write this down, 3D.2, 3D.2, and we're looking at number 5, and let's look at 5e, and see how we can figure this out, how we can simplify this. So it's 6 to the nth power plus 12 to the nth power, all over 1 plus 2 to the nth power. So this is tricky. You might see the 6 and the 12 and think right away I can pull out a 6 out of that. But let's be careful about that to see how we do that. So what we want to do is start by looking at that 12. And I'm just going to put it in parentheses because it's 12 is the base and it's being raised to the nth power. So it's okay, you can go inside that parentheses and make that 6 times 2 to the nth power. Right, because 6 times 2 is 12. It doesn't change and it's still being raised to the nth power. And then when you see it that way, you realize, well, if you have something in parentheses being raised to a power, you distribute that power into each element, I guess you could say. So that's going to become, I'll write it over here, 6 to the nth power plus 6 to the nth times 2 to the nth, all over 1 plus 2 to the nth. What's that noise? I don't know. Now I can pull a 6 to the nth out up on top. See, there's one on both sides. I can factor it out. 6 to the nth times 1 plus 2 to the nth. Oh, look at that. Oh, 1 plus 2 to the nth on the bottom. I'm going to put them in parentheses just so we can see it. So make sure you're good on that. That's 6 to the nth. If I were to go back in, it would multiply each one and would come back to what it was on top. And then these two are going to cross off. So your final answer is going to be 6 to the nth. So there you go. That's 5e. And I'm going to guess 5f and 5g are going to be a little bit similar, but I'll do that next. Let me upload this one first.